Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create and use labels here in Jira. Let's begin. Now I need you to log in to your account. If you haven't already, click the Get Jira Free option here at the bottom, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Creating and using labels in Jira is a straightforward process and is an effective way to enhance issue organization, categorization, and searchabilities. Because for one, labels provide a flexible way to categorize issues based on criteria without being restricted to predefined fields or workflows. That means labels makes it easier to search for and filter issues, and by using some tools like Jira Query Language or JQL, you can quickly find issues associated with a particular label. Now, when I say it's a straightforward process, it really is very easy because all you have to do is once you are here on a specific issue that you are working with, there's gonna be an option here that says labels, right? It's in the bottom part corner. It says none for now, but of course you can select a label. Okay. Now, when you click on the none, for example, you don't have any labels yet, just type in anything. For example, you see, there's an option that says new labels. So if you type in a new entry, all you have to do is click on that and you have your own label. All right. Or you wanna check some options here, and that's that. Now you can search the labels here at the bottom, or if you can't find it, there's gonna be the search bar on the top. I want you to click on it and go to the filters. There should be an option here that says, you see, you can search by label here. And of course, you can select the label that you want. All right. For example, it's going to be deep laughs and type in, press enter. All right. For example, this one, you would be able to basically search the label here easily. Now you see, labels are not restricted to a single project. You can use the same label across multiple projects, enabling you to group and view related projects or issues from a different places to another. Now, this feature is very handy for organizations and working on multiple projects simultaneously, but needing a way to track similar types of issues across these projects. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.